Got a bit of a special trip happening today. We're going to head out to the HPA hop farms out near Myrtleford there, heading to the high country and check out what hop harvest is all about. So I'll try and get as much footage as I can, give you guys a bit of an insight into what happens during hop harvest. Alright, let's do it. Made it. I'm going to do a little bit of an induction now, so we'll go find where we are and let's see what 2019 hop harvest is all about.
So the bottom cutters are on a tractor and it comes through, it's like a set of scissors. It just comes through and cuts the bottom off when they're harvesting. Usually within 20 minutes the top cutter comes along and snaps them off. It does the same thing at the top, but they drop into a trailer and you saw it coming, they're all coming in through a trailer. When these are strung, there's something like at the moment 1 million strings on per farm at the moment, and they're all hand done. A lot of the old days with the fried ringwood and super fried pellets were as hard as nails, and they quite high densities, and you used to throw them in the boil, it didn't matter. Nowadays craft brewers are looking for something a bit softer that breaks up in dry hopping, because Galaxy is not really meant for bittering, it's meant for dry hopping, late whirling, so yeah, pretty intense. You can smell it in the air.
Alright, so there we have it. There was the tour done and dusted. I wish you could have been there too, because the actual smells coming out of that plant were bloody amazing. And we were lucky enough because they were actually processing Galaxy on that day, so it was as you can imagine, the smells were just out of this world. So yeah, thanks for watching. Something that's really important, we'd really love you to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be putting out a lot of video content, mainly pushed through YouTube, so if you want to keep up with all that content, press the button down below and subscribe. But yeah, thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you next time.